abebembezi okuruga mu rubuga rwa Fort Portal borekera obuhinza mutima ahabwa gavumenti ogumana etwara ebinyamaishwa byabo okuruga mu Queen Elizabeth National Park ebitwaro mu entebezu ekibagizire ngu nabo nibendazu era abahereza entasya.
I looked at our kingdom, which by development lost the Queen Elizabeth National Park. I brought it that why can't we, in innovation, bring a zoo here? Why do we have it only in Entebbe? Why should we have our animals that way? Ours, but they are not ours now. Can't we establish a zoo?
And also a mini zoo, and 8 acres were earmarked for this, and we are still on waiting. So through our Honorable MP and the RCC, and good thing that our Honorable Minister is here, you should really take it up.
Wakaliza na ibigite y'enkondo ya Kalenji. Abokuba abana n'abatunga ebizibu, abasajja n'abakazi batunga ebizibu, nibagenda kusaba hakanisa na Keleziya. Bekito mukaliza tuina kitu kwenda kusitura, kuambura, kusirikira. Ebigambo ebi tubikiyenerwe kandi nganjalizanye kubibibi mu kutanga kutendikuru nangwa.
Ebi babigambire omu rukiiko rw'abakozi ba Ministry y'ebyoburambuzi ahari Ageihangwe Hotel ababire batayayire ekyanga kya Tooro ku marebero bibiri kandi Minister araganise uko barikuza kutandikaho entebe kanisa yo kwombeka zazu okwetorora omu ihanga lyona bwanyuma yo kushanga ngu obwa hati nibarebera ahari entebe zuyonga.
That there is a plan that has been ongoing, I think with some support from UNDP, to have those projects actualized. I can get a proper status and we communicate, but I understand the pain. And for regional zoos, we've earmarked a number of areas. I don't remember if, I think Tooro is one of them. Tooro is one of them. We are starting with the...
Because I was following up on the museum, we already offered land to the ministry. So there is no excuse about that. So what we need is to see in the budget, because we are now going into the budget process.
Yes.
So we want to see in the budget what we need to go and defend in this budget cycle for the next financial year. We want to see the money for the zoo, money for the zoo and money for the museum.
Minister ahigire abagiga okwejumbira omukombeka emyanya eyabarambuzi baraben bararamu hamwe no kutandikaho za projects ezirabaretera entasya barukurabira omu byoburambuzi.
The only way we can have some balance in case we got such challenges is by encouraging the Ugandans to travel. Even our new bill, our new bill, but of course we are saying, and I want to thank Parliament government, that morality beyond money.
Uganda is on the map of the world, and I believe people are now starting to book to come and see what they have seen as we went around. So if every ministry could do the same, because we know that there are ministries which consume and others create resources for us.
Abanya-Uganda hona bashabirwe okumanya ebyanga byabo ebyoburambuzi ekiraretereho entasya n'emirimo aha abanya-Uganda barukurabira omu byoburambuzi. Ndi Michael Tumwakire abwa TV West omuri Fort Portal.